Hi, I'm Koen Achte. This is the Smappee Infinity, our newest energy management system, and in this video I would like to show you how quick and easy it is to install. We have prepared the initial setup and configuration using the Smappee mobile app. Now we will proceed with the installation of the Smappee Infinity, which consists out of 7 easy steps. But before working on an electrical installation, always turn off the power of the fuse box. The first step is to locate a free fuse or install an additional fuse if you don't have any free fuses available. The second step is to mount the power cable to provide the power supply of the Smappee Infinity and the voltage measurements. The next step is to mount the power box onto the DIN rail using the supplied DIN rail clip and connect the power cable to it. In a real-life situation, we would now mount the Smappee Genius outside the distribution panel using the supplied wall mount plate. Now we will mount the CTs or Rogowski coils onto the loads we want to measure. The Smappee Infinity has the ability to measure up to 28 loads. The loads we are going to measure in this use case are the total consumption, the solar production, the EV charger and the AVAC installation. Next we are going to connect the installed CTs to the CT hub. Interconnect the different Infinity components using the supplied Smappee bus cables. All done. Now we're ready to power on the electrical installation again and also the Smappee Infinity. The last step that we have to do is configure the CTs, and our installation has been successfully completed. As you can see, the Smappee Infinity is very easy to install in no time by a certified electrician. If you're not a certified electrician but you want to experience the Smappee ecosystem, find a certified installer on our website